Vignesh.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop, mind fried to a crisp. Make an MC into a wide-eyed lunatic.
Just one. I thought you'll be taking 2 or 3. Having any second thoughts right now?
Second thoughts for a guy like Vignesh.
Yeah.
Are you joking? Yeah, remove it. Okay. It's time for it. Okay, remove it. Remove it. His legs are wide open. His legs are open, okay? His legs are open. Go and put it on his legs fast. One second. Vignesh? What? Vignesh? Oh my god. I'm not removing it, buddy. I'm not removing it. I'm just feeling it.
You have to do that.
Oh, one more. Day. We just planned on 2.
I was sleeping peacefully for once.
Yeah, well, there is no more peace in your life when you're surrounded by people like us, buddy. We're gonna take it out. Just chill. Well, we'll take it out.
It's stuck on firmly, dude.
People asked for this, okay? And they're gonna get everything they asked for.
Wait, what do we do now? Rip it off?
What do we do? Or maybe you can remove one over here.
I'll do it.
Okay, come on, do it. Come on.
Oh my god, it's
Wait! That's not proper.
What do you mean that's so proper?
It's an airy mess now. Keep it as a token there.
What do you mean?
Token of appreciation.
Take out all your anger on this guy.
She said slowly.
Okay, fine. His girlfriend asked him to do it slowly, so he's gonna do it slowly.
Ready? Set.
Oh! Shit, guys, oh my god, what an ugly
You have
mess.
to do 10 times now. Over yourself.
No, f you. I want to remove it slowly.
Oh no, you don't.
Fast. This is what you all asked for. This is what we promised. We told you once we get 100 subscribers, we are going to be using backstrips on this guy, and we did that. Make it 200 subscribers, and we'll use it on his face as well.
Oh no, it didn't come on. He didn't come off properly.
This just shows that you like torture. Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm not.
3, 2. Sanjay wishes we could just paste this on his head.
That's not funny, right?
Who removed this?
This was Sanjay.
For once in your life you were asked to do something properly and now you this.
Let me do it.
Oh. This just shows the kind of audience we have. Oh, they do this only to see us in pain. Especially you, Vignesh. They love it.
And we like it.
Tell the viewers what we are about to do.
We are going to Rohit's house, right?
Yeah, and then
Backstrip him?
yes. Vignesh is hiding over here. Were you putting on your wig or something?
Stay with me.
Hey, what the
Plan. What is your plan?
What? It's your appearance in the videos after such a long time, man. So what's up, man? How's your preparations going?
Don't get that on camera. I don't want that on camera. I don't want that.
Why it's so horrible, huh?
No, I don't want that.
Why?
On the video.
Why?
I don't
Why?
want anything to do with that.
Why?
I was looking for Vignesh. And the Viper strikes again.
You're screwed. I'm so sorry, Rohit. We had to do it. We hit 100 subscribers, bro.
I thought you were using it on Vignesh.
They already did.
I guess I'm going to be stuck with this for the rest of my life. You know what? I've been trying to sit back for the past 15 minutes. What about Avin?
He didn't do it.
He didn't do it. They're doing it on his head.
Oh, right. What?
What the hell is wrong with you?
What? My hair is... Guys, why is everybody laughing at my hair?
If he had gone to the barber, you know when he would have done this? If he had went and said, make sure
Fine,
that I
fine,
never
fine,
get late. Never get late. Say no more, fam.
Well, guys, it's going to transition from him laughing so much to him crying in absolute pain. Just watch
No,
this.
It's not gonna be pain.
Why?
Watch this.
What?
What?
So you're just acting or what? With your...
He had no hair.
No hair.
What the hell? No hair.
No hair at all.
What an epic fail.
Just do it on one.
No. 5,
3.
3, 2, 1.
Do it, fam. I don't care. Like what the hell?
What? Guys, they're getting more wax strips. Just wait. Off.
Please, on his head.
4 people.
How are you gonna? How are you?
No, it's not happening.
No, it's happening. It's happening. What the
Masha,
hell?
I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Hey, Vatan, don't put it on me. You're gonna put it on. Hey, Vatan, no. Fuck off. It's not happening. No, it's not happening. No, I didn't say that. No, Vatan, put it on. I'm telling you. I actually fight. I'm telling you.
Vignesh, let it be.
How cards have changed. How times have changed.
Abhi, what are you laughing about? You have 2 on your leg. Ready?
Okay.
Wait. Let me do it. Okay. Wait, go on. Please.
He didn't sign up for this and yet he's having to do this. What this entire bit was planned on Rohit, not them.
You still have 2 wax strips on your leg. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, chow.
That should have hurt. Oh, that's looking good.
Okay, I'll do it for myself. Come on.
No.
You are hurt so bad. I'm going to cry.
Doesn't matter, huh?
Guys,
What's the
what
easiest
is
thing?
this
Guys, no, the
Guys?
thing is, I was sleeping when these bastards slapped that wax strip on my leg.
Why is your leg shaking?
4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Please, Masha, you're my best friend. Please, da.
3,
Please.
2, 1.
You wanna look at my fucking legs? I can't officially wear shorts.
Wow.
For like 3 weeks. I didn't sign up for this. It was supposed to be Vignesh, but well, this is what we do when we are dourishes. We are the dourish gang. We do shit which is extremely stupid, and we regret.
There's only more 5. What happened to the rest?
But we'll open all of it and put it on your head. Guys, 500 subscribers, and we'll use wax strips on his. We'll actually do it.
1 billion.
Use it on his head.
1
We'll use it
billion.
on his
We'll do it.
We'll use it
1
on his
billion.
head.
Guys, this is it. Thank you all. Thank you all for 100 subscribers. It really means a lot.
Seriously, thank you all for the support. All those people subscribing to us, thank you for watching our stupid videos. We'll continue to do stupid stuff like this.
And if you want to watch us torture Vignesh again
Why me? What the f?
or Sanjay again
No.
or well Rohit
Well,
or
Avil?
Arjun. No, not point the camera at you. It's not happening.
Why
I'm
not?
never torturing myself, buddy. Alright guys, so peace out. Thank you all for 100 subscribers.
We'll continue Avil brutality from now on.
We'll continue Vignesh brutality.
This stuff is really sticky, man. I have to get this out.
Alright, see ya.